Alright guys, so this is going to be more of a tactical video. This is kind of like the exact structure that I used to scale a barbershop from $12K a month to $30,000 a month. And I hope Jonathan sees this video because he'll back me up in the comment section. But basically this is for a barbershop in Toms River. We run smart ads on Google. We're spending about $70 to $85 a day. I just recently upped the budget because he's crushing it. Hit a really good month. Want to scale it out. I kind of want to try to do about 35 to 40 grand a month. And for barbershops, that's actually pretty hard. That's very unheard of. It just depends on what area you're in, and obviously how many barbers you have, how many chairs. But for most barbershops out there, a lot of them don't do a lot of Google ads because they don't want to put the money up. And this is a big problem like in the local business niche. And I think that we should have learned a lot from COVID, the pandemic, like everything that's happened in our economy, the recent boom in online traffic, how web traffic has gotten cheaper. It's more, advanced. There's more tracking capabilities. There's just more ways for you to optimize your actual budget. Obviously for him to jump from 12K to 30K. Now we did have one month where it was like 24, so he went from 12K to like 23ish, 24ish, which is twice as much revenue. And this is all time. So we've spent 5K in ads all time. So he's made an extra 12K one month, and then he made an extra, 18K the second month. So like making an extra 30 grand on $5,000, that's a 6 ROAS. That's freaking insane. Also, we get a lot of jobs that are for like hair replacement and stuff of that sort. So more high ticket stuff too. And there's two reasons why this is successful. Number one is because you're getting a bunch of traffic and you're the first barbershop on Google. I'm outbidding every other barbershop. Even at $1.97 a click, I'm still getting most of the clicks. Second reason why is because I'm using multiple variations of ads here, okay? And we're getting phone calls plus call clicks right through Google My Business. The Google My Business has 5 stars, over 300 freaking reviews, has enough leverage and credibility. And I'm using multiple variations as I scroll here that you can see, because I'm not that person who's just going to make one ad and let it rock. Like, I'm going to let as many ads as possible and as many variations and responsive ads run just so I know my correct audience, okay? And the more responsive ads that you create, the more you're able to scale and let Google do its thing and find the right ads that work, blah, blah, blah. So keep that in mind. Like, even if you're running a small budget, like to me, a small budget is like we're running only 70 to 85 bucks a day. So that's pretty small. Like most of my clients are spending thousands. So it's good to see that something like this is working on a smaller budget, but for local business doing 10-mile radius ads, it crushes. So when you're building out campaigns like this, once you find that thing that works at that $25, $50 a day range, you ramp it up, but you can also build on more variations. Kind of like Facebook with dynamic creatives. But figured you guys would want to see this. Obviously, you can see some of the copy here. And, if you're a local business, you can use this for yourself. But, yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I will talk to you soon.